Hi everybody, my name's Peter with Geeks Trucking. Well, this is my next load. I know you probably can't see too good of it yet, but hold on. It's just snow removal equipment that I picked up in Maine and taking it to Washington. Nice, easy 3,000 mile run. But the point behind this video is what do you do when you tighten a strap and you hear a noise that no one who does open deck likes to hear? Crack. Which means the wood case frame broke. What do you do? Well, it was almost as tight as I wanted it when it happened. It's starting to rain, so I'm going to make this quick. I only wanted one more click to make it as tight as I wanted, and that's when it cracked. So what do? You build a bridge, basically. Let me show you what I did here. I put wood up here and wood over here. Basically to build a bridge. And it's on 2.5 pallets. Almost 3 pallets, 2 pallets. But by doing that, I built leverage. And now it's secured again, because it's nice and tight. So that's what you do when you hear the crack and you're doing open deck. After swearing for about 5 minutes, you stop and you build a bridge. That way you can make sure your load is secure. Thank you for watching. Having a great day. Bye.